That's a little thing. Move, baby. Move.
I'm just out here walking on water. Feel free to come and get me. Ain't like I'm asking in the prison.
Now for today's main event. Here's Ghost Rider. Strutting in, all cool and composed. Here we have Vengeful Exiles! In the opposite corner, the leader, Magic. Give it up for Brotherhood of...
Ooh, doing looking sick. I need to start switching out characters.
Tensions are on the rise. Who knows what could go down in this battle? At long last, the bell is just about to ring.
Whew. Mr. Blaze.
Let me introduce you to an East LA special.
I've gave it.
I've got a spare minute. Mind if I kick your ass?
Brace yourself.
Let's go.
Round one. Fight!
Oh, okay. Oh, Alfred? They get an A for sure. So what was I doing? Because I was holding back. She ran forward and all I was doing was holding back. I'm gonna get so pissed and just go back to controller. And I spent a good $100 on this shit. Bullshit. That was a fast one shot too. Can we shoot our buttons and stop going down up on a down forward? Man. Getting down ups on down forwards still. Make me want to go back to controller.
Checking opponent's connection. Checking opponent's connection. Checking opponent's connection.
I'm not tripping about the connection. Yeah, he better hit this. Connection does need to hurry. Chill out, though. Damn it.
Don't mess with me.
Really? This makes me want to go back to controller. Literally holding back.
Down. Move cursor. Cross button. Confirm. Square button. Save replay.
God. When did I let go of the block? When did I let go of the block?
Add enough at any time. Magic.
No light punch beats grab, I guess. Ready to go back to the controller. When you're ready to go back to the controller. When you're ready to go back to controller. Cause like seriously. Like this shit is just bullshit. I'll take it. That's all I can do right now.
You have nowhere left, Tokon. Stay still.
Oh, awesome, bro. Right. No light through anything.
Checking opponent's connection.
No light through anything. You can't light through a grab. You have to grab. It's so dumb. Should have just grabbed.
Enough of your shit.
That's a little third. Move, baby. Move. Doom.
To disobey doom is to defy it.
Final round.
Okay. How am I holding back and just getting shot? What was that? Why did you do the thing where you shoot?
Be grateful to doom.
I called for magic. I called for magic and got stoned for some reason. No. Why didn't you just stay on magic? I held L2. I didn't press X again. This makes me want to go back to the fucking controller. This shit is just hot ass on this.
Brace yourself.
Knew that was coming. I cannot get my combos at all. And his standing light punch is defeating everything that I'm doing in the sky. I cannot get my combos on this fucking thing, man. I'm about to go back to controller. That's how annoyed I am with this. I've been practicing in the training round. Boom. Supposed to do a light to make yourself safe. That was a light. No light is coming out after that heavy, and that's costing us. There it is. Thank you. Get your shit together. I literally grabbed. Give me that fucking move. This is just so fucking annoying. This ain't even a rank match, and I'm annoyed. I'm utterly annoyed with this shit. Thank you. Nope. But he can get that, but I cannot get this fucking move to work. And you keep jumping up. That's the part that's killing me, is on a down back, you keep jumping up.
To me, my expert.
should have hit him with the down back. I level 3'd. That was not what I did at all.
If you want to take me down, you'll have to do.
Winner, player 2.
I cannot believe this shit.
Brace yourself.
This Ghost Rider is doing great, but damn. I need that move to come out every time. She's got to stop doing this down up shit.
I'm prepared.
Round 2.
Busy? So he must have messed up because I was tapping the buttons, but I wasn't tapping the buttons enough that, what's it called? Why can't you just do the move and stop fucking up? Like, it is not that hard to be down fucking back. And you keep on doing that regular shit or jumping. Ugh. Honestly, hot ass. Over here pressing it and you're just doing stupid shit. I was holding back, but I guess this game has a weird thing for holding back. Somehow you can still get hit doing it. Back this way. Fucking happen. That's why I have to do normal shit like this to get the W. When I could be doing full ass combos.
I regret we came to blows. I cannot regret the result.
My girl.
Brace yourself. Round one.
Checking opponent's connection.
Perfect.
Easy.
Whenever you wish.
Round two.
She summoned another portal. Instead of pressing the button that I pressed to shoot. I'm just taking with the flag. Good God, man. Don't know what button I pressed that was normal past that. That was a good light.
Rematch. Up/down. Move
Where you gotta go,
cursor.
brother?
Cross button. Confirm. Square button. Save.
Life is sink or swim, as you can see, I chose to float. Know that I'm the one. Guess it's time to show I am and prove to y'all that I'm as great as I know I am. Yeah.